Hi, it's Liz. Let's take a minute to look at how to insert an image into our Google site. It's really simple. So I'm in my site, and we know I'm on the page I want to be on. We know the Insert tab, and you've got images right here. When I click that, I'm going to get the search window. I want to show you also, remember, double click, you get the editing wheel. You can click images. It does the exact same thing. Okay. Now look at your options up here. If you have a picture that has a URL, maybe it's a Google Share link, and you've shared that so anyone can view, you can put that URL right in here. You can use your albums. You can go to your Google Drive if you have pictures there. Maybe you don't need the share link. Notice the back arrow. What I want to do though, and this is what I use most often, is just search. So this is my math page. I just want a cute picture to put on the math page. Okay, now I'm here, I've done the search, and I want you to pay attention to what's on the screen. Here it says any type. If I click, I really just want clip art, but look, what if I were looking for a face? These are actually kind of funny. Look at this guy. Okay, now I can click on there, and notice down here, this tells you where it's from. I know that Wikimedia Commons, that's you have permission to use those. The other thing, results shown are labeled for commercial reuse. That means you can use them on your site. Okay, what I'm looking for though is clip art. So I want you to notice those categories. I want you to notice when you click on an image what's down here, because that's what you would credit if you needed to credit the image. It's always a good idea. All right, so I just want this math image. I'm going to select it, and it's going to put it in. Now, notice my options. I can slide it. Sometimes, do you see how it got cut off? I made it the width I want, but it got cut off. I could crop it, but I want you to look at this button right here. What this button's going to do is make it fit to that width. So when you have a picture that looks like it's being cut off, this button is your friend. So if I went, well, really, I just want this to fit in this small space here, I can kind of play with it and see what I can figure out. But really, just click that button and it's done. Okay? Let me move that back to be bigger again so it looks right. Now, let's say I wanted to be able to click on this. Maybe it's an image of a website. Okay, it's the little icon for a website, and I want to have click here to go to the site. That's just going to be the link. Put this in, put in the www.link, and it will take you straight there. The other thing you could do is make it go to a page. If I wanted this to take me back to the main math page, I would do that. I don't, so I'm going to delete that. But that's how you could use a picture to link. If I don't want it, I just click the trash can, and then let's see what's in the three dots. Replace it, add alternate text. That's a accessibility. If I just say math, that means someone who's using some accessibility software, when they hover over it, it will say what it is to them. All right, I can add a caption. Let's see what that does. See, look how fun math is. Okay, that's just going to add a text box underneath. Can I center it? I can't. All right, so that's really all there is to adding images in your Google site. If I wanted to move this, I can drag it and move it somewhere else. I've got all kinds of options. Notice that caption is staying with it. This would be a good place if I had copied the link to give credit to the link. I was seeing if I could do smaller text. Doesn't look like I can. But I could put the link down there to credit where the image is from. All right, there you go.